Hey, we're just going to go over some methods in chapter 4. Methods are what makes all the other stuff work. You have to write a quote-unquote function, which is a method, and this method will tell the variables and all the other game objects and everything what it needs to do. So over here I've added the return total script to my empty object, and there are some numbers here, and if you remember, we're going to double click on the return total, and if you remember, we added these numbers here in the public variable information. See, here's that little thing again. I'm just going to say okay, that happens, just okay it out, and that's probably why Unity is getting rid of MonoDevelop. So we're going to go ahead back over here, and those actual return values are public. So they are opened up in the inspector window, so you can actually change the numbers here. These numbers will not change in the script itself, but you can change them here, and those changes will stay as long as you are not in the run mode. So let's see what happened after I changed those two numbers. We're going to select run, and we're going to see some information in our console. If I just open up the console, you'll see more. The grand total is 5, and that was adding two specific numbers, number 1 and number 2, and the grand total of 42 is adding numbers 3 and 4. So let's go back to the script and take a look at that. So we have, here's our public variables, and you see the numbers didn't change here, and then in the start we tell it that we're going to add 2 numbers, and then we're going to add another 2 numbers, and then we're going to display those results. So here's your int of adding 2 numbers. So it says add the first number and add the second number. So that's what we're saying here. Add the first numbers, number 1 and 2. So that, my friends, is very fast what you'll find in the methods.